What's up, guys? I hope you're having an amazing week or weekend or whenever you're watching this video, a morning, a night, an evening, that's the same as nighttime, an afternoon, a during work, and after work, and playing with the kids, whatever you're watching this, whenever you're watching this, I hope it's a great one. We're continuing our series on mine and Greenbit's values. This time, we're on value number 2, which is do what's right for our customers. The description reads, our customers are our business. If they aren't happy, then we shouldn't be. We should always do what's in their best interest, even if that requires unpopular or non-scalable solutions. So this one was created to instill the sense that we are not a business that is solely focused on making money at all costs. Our first value is do whatever it takes. We need something that makes sure we don't do the wrong things. This is one of those things. Do whatever it takes to win. Winning oftentimes in business means making the most money, making the most stable business. Our focus when we started this business was to help people, help our customers, help small business owners run their business. Why would we think that we should focus on anything else if that was our goal? And we want to continue making sure that the customer's the number one thing, no matter what. If that means that we are going to lose money, but it's better for the customer, that is something we should choose. If we have to sacrifice a customer's happiness and a customer's livelihood in order to save the business, we should not do that. That's what this is. How does this tie into my personal life and my personal values? This is really a value around making sure that you're doing good in the world. My life goal is to help one person realize what they love doing and figure out how to do it every single day. Now, I could sacrifice other people's happiness in order to make more wealth for myself, make myself more happy. That is not what I think I was put on this earth to do. And that's how this value translates into my own personal life. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I will be back sometime with the next one, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Man, these snaps are like, what's going on? Bye.